Hi, I'm Sean with Hampton Marine, and this is a product unboxing video of the Fusion XS Series 7.7-inch speaker. This is the Sport Grill version. This is offered in a classic grill. It comes with two grill covers, so you get white and the gunmetal gray all in one package, which is nice for people that like customizing the way their setup looks. Once you open the box, you will have your documentation. This does have a mounting template for the speaker inside of it. You will have a cardboard divider. You will have your gray grills. And then you will have your two speakers inside of the box. Behind each speaker in a little compartment is your mounting hardware and individual baggies. And then you'll have a speaker. You'll take your speaker out of the wrap. This speaker does have male blade terminals with a nice silicone jacket over them that you slide back and then creates a nice protected connection. To mount the speaker, you will twist your grill off. You'll have 6 mounting holes. Once you install the speaker, you can then choose your gray grill or your white grill. This speaker does sound really good for the price. It is a nice Marinized design. It is IP65. It does come with a 3-year warranty. It does have some good weight to it. It handles between 20 and 150 watts. 60 watts RMS is its power handling. It is a very good sounding speaker. Again, I'm Sean with Hampton Marine. This was a product unboxing video of the Fusion XS Series 7.7-inch sport grills, and thanks for watching.